The call from the depths of nature. Each slab of stone carries the resilience of mountains and rivers. Why choose a stone table? It's not afraid of high temperatures. With an ultra-high hardness rating, its smooth surface, fearless of any scratches. High density and low water absorption, capable of withstanding food stains. Curved table legs free up more legroom. A heavy base lowers the center of gravity for greater stability. A table height above market average, up to 4 centimeters, makes dining more comfortable. 2 textures, 4 options. This gift from nature, in its unique way, makes our lives warmer and more inviting. wisfor, the best aesthetic consultant for your home.